Good morning everyone, myself Manya Thapar from class 12, Divan Public School, and today we are here to present our AI Capstone project, Rainfall Prediction using Artificial Intelligence. Now before we dive into the tech part, let's talk why we choose this topic. We all know how unpredictable rainfall is. One day it's scorching too hot and the next day it's pouring so heavily. That affects farmers, students and even families. So simple, what if we could use AI to predict rainfall more accurately and help people to plan their day better?
AI project logbook records the entire process of actually understanding the problem to finally making a working prototype. Firstly, we gathered our information and we decided as to where it affects the people. Then we finally decided upon, after brainstorming various ideas, that the final and the best outcome would be the pattern recognition using historical data so as to detect the weather predictions. Then finally we decided and gathered upon the open source data from Kaggle and used Python libraries like Pandas, scikit-learn and Matplotlib. Our prototype predicts the rainfall as a simple yes or no, so as to keep it simple and pretty accessible for all the users and understand and make best use out of it.
When we tested it, people loved how simple and accurate our model was. They suggested few improvements which we take seriously, which overall improves our model performance. This project was not just about coding or dataset, it was about our overall team performance, teamwork, collaboration and problem solving.
So as to sum it all up, the artificial intelligence actually makes, we understand that it just wasn't for the future, but it is also for today. And thank you for listening to our idea and hope you find it useful.
Our project is about predicting whether it rained today based on weather data. We used a dataset called weather.csv and applied a machine learning model called logistic regression to make the prediction. First, we imported important libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, scikit-learn. Then, we loaded the dataset and checked for missing values. We removed the rows that had missing data in important columns like temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover. We also renamed a few columns to simpler names. Next, we converted the columns rain today and rain tomorrow into numbers 0 for no and 1 for yes so that the computer gets it easily. Then we selected 4 features: temperature, humidity, wind, speed, and cloud cover, and split the data into training and testing sets.
After that, we scaled the data using standard scaler to make sure all features were on the same scale. Then we trained a logistic regression model on the training set and then tested it. We calculated the accuracy, created a confusion matrix, and viewed a classification report to evaluate how well the model performed. We also visualized the confusion matrix using a heat map to clearly see incorrect and correct predictions. Then we visualized it by using some ROC curves, histograms, and scatterplot. And finally, we tested the model with the custom input, giving values for the temperature, humidity, wind speed, and cloud cover to see if it predicted rain or no rain for that situation.